Are going to make a banana cake.
What do we need?
We need flour, and we need bananas, and we need sour cream, and we need all kinds of sugars and eggs.
Okay,
And
start now.
And it will be a good cake. Yes.
That is a
Let's go. Let's get in here.
2 cups of
2 cups of flour. That's the first thing.
Yes.
Okay.
And you are holding a 1 cup.
Yeah, I have 1.5 cups here. And that's all we need. Where's the measuring cup?
This is the cup. This is 1 cup.
This is 1 cup.
You need 2 cups.
No, we need
2 cups.
We need 1.5.
This is 2 cups of flour.
Where's it say? 2 cups of flour. Cream, margarine, 2 cups of flour. Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Start now.
Flour. We need more flour. But we have to
Odd.
No, we have to take this flour and I don't know where my sifter is. Okay, we need 2 cups of flour. Okay, let's see if we have 2 cups.
How many cups is that?
No, that's only 1 cup.
Oh, you need more. Here.
I need more. I need much more. Here. Getting flour all over the table.
It's okay. I will clean that.
There.
Okay.
I think we have 2 cups. Almost. A little bit less.
1/4
baking powder. Where's the baking powder?
Here is the baking powder.
Okay.
1/4. Only 1/4.
So our little machine is okay, but we need our measuring foods.
Here. You have here. 1/4. It's a 1/2.
Is that a 1/4?
1/4 teaspoon. I will give you 1/4.
Yeah, here's a 1/4. Now we need
This 1/4.
I got it. And we need baking soda, which is 3/4 teaspoon. No. Where's the whole teaspoon? Is this a whole teaspoon?
1/2.
Oh, this is a half? Okay, so we do this. And
1,
we do this. Okay.
2. Okay.
There we go. Now
Next.
we have
Salt.
baking powder, we did. Baking soda, we did.
Salt.
Salt. Hey, have
This is
some
the salt.
Okay. No, this side. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon. And this is, what is this? This is a whole teaspoon?
1/2. That is 1/2.
That's
Only
a
1/2.
Okay.
Lahat. Okay.
Okay. What else? That's it. Cream. Okay, we have to cream 1/2 cup of margarine and 1.5 cups sugar. So we have margarine.
This is a margarine.
No, that's butter.
It's butter.
Yeah.
So I will give you
If I
margarine.
have margarine.
This is margarine.
That's butter.
This is margarine. Yes, that is margarine.
Oh, use it for butter. How much is this?
1/2 cup.
Half a cup. And this is
1/2.
1/2 cup. Okay. Bit more.
Yes, a little bit more.
Okay,
Okay.
that's about it. Half a cup of margarine, and what else?
1/2 cup of margarine.
Yeah. And 2 eggs.
Yeah, put it there.
We got 2 eggs? Yeah.
Yes, this is our eggs.
Okay.
I prepare you
And
already.
sugar. How much sugar? 1.5 cups sugar.
I prepare you 2 eggs.
First we get the sugar in, honey.
Here.
First we get the sugar. 1.5 cups sugar. Okay. And this is what, 1 cup?
1/2.
This is a half?
And this is 1 cup.
I'd like to see the 1 cup
1
first.
cup.
Okay. A lot of sugar in this cake.
And half.
And this is a half. Okay.
Okay.
Now we need the bananas.
Banana or eggs? 2 eggs.
One half cup ripe bananas.
Here is the in
Oh, you
It's
got them all
already-
mixed up already?
yes.
Okay.
prepared already, the banana.
Okay. Bacon grease, bacon cheese. So we got the margarine, the sugar, and the 2 eggs.
This is the
Not
2
beans.
eggs.
Okay. Where's the mixer?
Here is the mixer. You can use this.
No. It's not the
You want the...
No. Mixer.
This is not a mixer?
No.
Just put it here. Yeah. Here. Forgot the vanilla. Vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay. 1 teaspoon vanilla.
Here is vanilla. Yes.
Okay. Put this in here. This isn't a teaspoon, this is a half a teaspoon, right? That's a teaspoon. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Where's our mixer? Yeah. Now we'll put the bananas in there.
Also this one, you put it there. All together. And also the...
Where's my mixer? mixer's gone. I have to find it. I had a nice mixer.
And the flour.
Little by little.
Yes, until it's finished.
It's finished. We have a pen.
Yes, it's already.
Should be beaten up better than this, but
Ah, water.
a fourth a cup of water. Yeah. All right.
Here. That's okay?
Okay.
Okay.
That's
Yes.
good.
It's Meira banana cake. Yahoo!
Not just me, here it's yours too.